Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, if you are not able to run the CMD or any other application as admin, so this video is for you. I will show you how to troubleshoot this issue step by step. Okay, so first of all we need to check the user access control panel. So on the Windows search bar you need to type here user account, and once you tap the user account control, you should able to see this change user account control setting. Okay, just you need to open that up and make sure it should be on your list like this. Okay, that's where you are getting this issue, so you need to drag it from here to down. Now once you click on OK, it will again ask the prompt, so hit yes option. Now try to run the CMD as admin and see if that is working for you or not. If still not working, so in this case guys, you need to check that whether you have the administrator rights or not. So we need to open the control panel here simply and go to large icons here with the category wise like this. And once you open the category wise with the large icons, we need to open the user accounts. Just open that up, and once you open the user account, you should able to see the windows like this. Click on manage another user accounts, and now click on your users accounts. So in my case I have login with the Dell account here. So this is the, you can see here, if I go back here, so the blue one is selected here. If I click on this, that one is selected. So I need to select the current login account here. Just click on that, and once you click on that, we need to click on this option, change the user type. Okay, once you click on change the user type, you need to select here administrator. Okay, and then click on change user account. Since I have already the administrator account here, so let me show you with this one, test one. As you can see here, okay, this also has the admin rights. Now let me, you can see here I can change it. Now admin account and admin rights has been successfully updated. You can see here local account administrator. Okay, so this is how you can give the administrator rights to the another user. Now you should able to run this like this. This has also the local user account, so administrator. Now if I again click on this option, this is showing local account, and if I click on administrator, so make sure you have the admin rights here. As you can see here, if you don't have any admin users here, so you have to log in with your inbuilt user account with the administrator, and then you can make the new user here. Okay, click on add here, and once you click on add here, you can add your account here. Local account you can add it, so I don't have like this. Okay, add the local without Microsoft. You can see here, you can put the password, re-enter password, just hit next, and new user account with the administrator rights will be created here. And once you have created the local user accounts with the administrators, just sign out from your current account and log in with your that account, and your issue will be fixed. Okay, so if this option and this step is also not working guys, so you can restore your system in a back day when system was working fine. But if you have made it, like hit next, select the date, and then click on next, click on finish, and click on yes, your system will be restored to back days when your system was working fine and your user was working as a admin. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. If nothing is working, you can reset your PC or you can reinstall the fresh window. So I hope guys your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.